Welcome back to the channel where we break down complex technologies into simple terms. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of artificial intelligence to learn about 4 core technologies: machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. We'll explore what each of these technologies is, how they work, and some real-world examples that are changing our lives right now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's start with the foundation, machine learning, or ML. Imagine teaching a child how to identify different animals by showing them lots of pictures of cats, dogs, and birds. Over time, the child learns to recognize each animal on their own. Machine learning works in a similar way. Instead of teaching a computer through step-by-step instructions, we train it using data. The more data we provide, the better it learns. This is what makes machine learning so powerful. It can learn patterns, make predictions, and even recognize objects or sounds without explicit programming. Machine learning is used in a wide range of applications that you interact with every day. For example, your email provider uses ML to detect spam and filter it out of your inbox. Netflix uses ML to recommend shows based on your watching history. And self-driving cars use ML to recognize objects on the road and make decisions in real time. Next up, let's talk about deep learning, a more advanced form of machine learning. If machine learning is like teaching a child, deep learning is like creating an artificial brain that can learn complex tasks on its own. Deep learning is powered by neural networks, which are designed to mimic how the human brain works. Each node or neuron in these networks processes a bit of information and passes it on. As data moves through the layers, the network learns to identify more complex patterns. Take digit recognition as an example. The first layer might detect simple shapes like lines or curves. As data flows through deeper layers, the network learns to recognize numbers like 7s, 8s, or 9s. Deep learning is what powers image and voice recognition systems. It's the reason why Siri or Google Assistant can understand your voice, or why your phone can identify your face for authentication. Deep learning has made a massive impact in fields like healthcare, where it's used to detect diseases in medical images faster and more accurately than human doctors. Now let's move on to natural language processing, or NLP. Have you ever asked Siri or Alexa to play your favorite song, or chatted with a customer support bot online? That's NLP in action. NLP is all about teaching machines to understand, interpret, and even generate human language. It involves things like understanding the meaning of words, analyzing the tone, and even generating responses. NLP works by breaking down language into its building blocks, words, phrases, and sentences, and then using algorithms to figure out the intent behind them. For example, when you type, "What's the weather like today?" into a weather app, NLP helps the system understand that you're asking for a weather forecast and then finds the relevant information. One popular use of NLP is language translation, like how Google Translate can convert text between languages almost instantly. Another common use is sentiment analysis, where companies use NLP to analyze social media posts or customer reviews to understand public opinion. Finally, let's look at computer vision, the AI technology that enables machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual data. It's like giving a computer eyes and a brain to see and understand the world around it. Computer vision works by analyzing images or video frames pixel by pixel, and then using algorithms to identify objects, patterns, and even activities. This technology is at the heart of facial recognition, autonomous vehicles, and even security systems. Facial recognition is one of the most well-known applications of computer vision. Your smartphone's face unlock feature and social media apps that tag people in photos are all powered by computer vision. Self-driving cars are perhaps the most ambitious use of computer vision, where the car's cameras and sensors constantly see and analyze the road to make split-second driving decisions. Computer vision is also used in agriculture. Drones equipped with cameras can monitor the health of crops, detect diseases, and even optimize irrigation. As AI technologies like machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and computer vision continue to evolve, they will become even more integrated into our daily lives, making everything from our homes to our workplaces smarter and more efficient. Thanks for joining me on this journey to explore the core concepts of AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI and cutting-edge technology. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.